Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for February 25th, 2015. It's Wednesday morning. We're getting ready for the end of the weekend, heading towards the weekend. We have an area of low pressure that's going to pass well to our southeast. It's going to give us the potential for some light snow tomorrow morning, but really no major storms are on the horizon. So let's take a look at the forecast. Current conditions right now are in the single digits over the interior and lower to mid-teens over the western suburbs of Philadelphia and New York City, upper teens to lower 20s along the coast. Except for one location, around 7 degrees on the New Jersey coast. That's likely due to some clear skies and some snowpack enhancement. But you get the idea here. It is cold out there, and temperatures are going to rebound into the lower to mid 30s, warmer than what we've been, but still significantly below normal. We should be around 43 to 47 degrees for this time of year. Instead, we're going to be around 31 to 35. So clearly, a very cold weather pattern remains. On our latest radar, we have some heavy snow out here towards the Cape. Luckily, this has missed most of the region. We did have some snow showers out here over Long Island, but that has left the region. Scattered cloud cover can be expected for the rest of the day with high and dry conditions. This area of precipitation is the result of basically a Norland trough that developed out here in the Atlantic and extended out towards southern New England. So luckily we missed out, but it looks like our next little disturbance that will be interacting with the polar jet stream would be just close enough to produce some light snow over southern New Jersey. Now, when we take a look at the latest surface map, here's our one storm that just missed us, and here's our Norland trough. Here comes another Arctic cold front to reinforce the cold air over the region. So basically we get one day where we're in the 30s and then we fall right back into the upper teens to lower 20s for highs for the rest of the week. So our warm up, if you want to call it that, and compared to the way temperatures have been recently, well, I guess you could call it almost a heat wave as we get into the 30s. But here's our next disturbance. This one right here and this one right here. Now, when we take a look at the infrared satellite picture, you can see these two disturbances starting to approach each other. Because of the nature of our weather pattern, though, these two disturbances will interact a little bit too late to be able to produce a significant snowfall for the region. So instead, the low pressure system will track well out into the Atlantic, far enough out to only produce some light snow for southern New Jersey. We're looking at anywhere from 1 to 2 inches. And then further north, let's say from Atlantic City on north, basically looking for around an inch. And then beyond New York City, basically a dusting. Again, not a significant snowfall at all for tomorrow morning between 1 a.m. and 11 a.m. Again, if we had enough blocking in the northern Atlantic, this could have been a far more impressive snowfall, but it looks like that's going to remain out in the Atlantic. And you can see the storm potential out here. I mean, wow, this disturbance out here really blew up over the Gulf Stream, and that's what led to this inverted trough that you can see right here that is producing some moderate to heavy snow over the Cape and over southeastern New England. So let's take a look at our forecast via the European model guidance from the Penn State UWall website. Again, for today, high pressure will generally be in control. Look for scattered cloud cover and high temperatures in the lower to mid 30s. For tomorrow, that area low pressure will pass to our south and east. Look for light snow in the morning, generally a trace to an inch over the New York City metropolitan area. 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Philadelphia metropolitan area and the New Jersey coast. Again, mostly on cold surfaces and on the cars and whatnot. Again, this is not a major snow threat at all. But again, for tomorrow morning's rush hour, drive a little bit slower. That's about it, really. Visibility anywhere from 4 to 6 miles. Again, a very light snowfall. And most of the snowfall will be out of the region by 8, 9 a.m., lingering in snow showers and flurries until 11 a.m. Temperatures tomorrow will range from the single digits to lower teens throughout the entire northern Atlantic. High temperatures in the upper teens to lower 20s. High pressure will be in control for Thursday afternoon, tomorrow afternoon, on through Friday and into Saturday morning. On Friday, look for temperatures to range from the single digits to lower teens for lows, of course, warmer along the coast. High temperatures in the upper teens to lower 20s. On Saturday, again with high pressure right overhead, look for clear skies. Temperatures in the single digits below zero over the interior and single digits along the coast. High temperatures generally in the lower to mid 20s. Now on Sunday, an area of low pressure will develop over the southern plains and lift up towards the Great Lakes by Sunday evening. Look for periods of light rain and snow throughout the region, not looking for much in the way of accumulation from this, but could lead to some slick roadways on Sunday night into Monday morning. On Sunday, look for low temperatures in the single digits to lower teens, high temperatures in the lower to mid 30s. On Monday, as that low pressure system departs, look for temperatures to be in the mid teens over the interior and upper teens to lower 20s along the coast, high temperatures in the upper 30s to lower 40s. Now, again, the area of low pressure I'll be moving through will be relatively weak, and the precipitation looks relatively light, but you don't need much in the way of ice to lead to some problems. And basically, what we're looking for on Monday morning is a mixture of snow, sleet, and rain that's going to be scattered, but still it will have some impact on your morning commute on Monday morning. And then high pressure will be in control from Monday afternoon on through Tuesday, with temperatures on Tuesday in the mid to upper teens over the interior, lower to mid 20s along the coast, high temperatures in the mid to upper 30s throughout the entire Philadelphia and New York City metropolitan area and also the interior. So we slowly inch back towards only slightly below normal rather than well below normal. And potentially by the middle of next week, we may actually hit temperatures that should be expected for this time of year, which is generally in the mid to upper 40s. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Thank you for following NYNJPA weather. And as always, stay safe out there.